Subscribe to 24 Motor World channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Welcome back my dear friends. In today's video I am gonna be doing the review of Vitara Brezza and I will be giving reasons to buy and reasons not to buy. Maruti Suzuki launched its first mini SUV called Vitara Brezza into an Indian market in 2016. Soon after launching into an Indian market, vehicle started gaining its success and soon it became segment king of mini SUV in Indian market. This vehicle is known for its durability, reliability, smoothness and comfort. This vehicle used to come in diesel and petrol engine options previously. Now it is 2020 and this vehicle is coming only in one engine option, that is petrol engine. Diesel engine has been discontinued by the Maruti Suzuki. Petrol engine is 1.5 liter PS6 compliant engine. Before going into the technical specifications of this vehicle, let's go inside and check the interior of this vehicle. There are no major changes into the interiors of this model. Interiors are similar to that of previous ones. Anyhow, it would be better if the interiors were given of soft touch. Engine start button you are getting from VXI variant and driver seat height adjustment you will be getting from ZXI variant. I will be making another video on variant and features. Let's check the rear space of this vehicle. This vehicle has largest legroom in its segment. Seats are wide enough. 3 medium-sized persons or 2 fat and 1 thin person can sit comfortably. You will be getting a lot of information in this MID such as distance to empty, trip meter and fuel level, etc. The 7-inch touchscreen you will be getting from ZXI variant onwards. Maximum seating capacity of this vehicle is 5 persons total, 2 front and 3 in rear. Boot space of this vehicle is 328 liters. You are getting 2 gearbox options, automatic and manual. This is a child lock button which you will be getting in all the variants of this vehicle. Now I will be giving you the technical specifications of this vehicle. So let's start with the engine. It is a 4-cylinder SOHC, that is single overhead camshaft engine. Its name is K15BISG. It is a 1462cc engine, produces a power of 103.2 bhp at 6000 rpm and torque of 138 Newton meters at 4400 rpm. The ARAI certified mileage of this vehicle is 17.3 kilometers per liter in manual gearbox and 18.76 kilometers per liter in automatic, which is quite impressive for me. Being an automatic, it is giving more mileage as compared to manual and hassle-free driving for driver. Fuel tank capacity of this vehicle is 48 liters. Length of this vehicle is 3995 mm. Height of this vehicle is 1640 mm and width of this vehicle is 1790 mm. And wheelbase of this vehicle is 2500 mm. Curb weight is 1125 to 1140 kgs and gross weight of this vehicle is 1600 kgs. You are getting total 5 variants in this vehicle. LXI, which is 7.34 lakh rupees according to the ex-showroom prices, New Delhi. It is offered in manual gearbox only. Then VXI, which is 8.35 lakh rupees in manual and 9.75 lakh rupees in automatic. Then ZXI, it is 9.1 lakh rupees in manual and ZXI automatic is 10.5 lakh rupees. Then ZXI Plus, which is 9.75 lakh rupees in manual and ZXI Plus automatic is 11.15 lakh rupees in automatic. ZXI Plus dual tone, it is a top end variant. It is 9.98 lakh rupees for manual gearbox and ZXI Plus dual tone, it is a top end variant in automatic. It costs 11.40 lakh rupees according to the ex-showroom prices, New Delhi. All the prices which I am mentioning are the ex-showroom prices according to the New Delhi. Prices in your area can differ. You will have to check at the local dealers for the prices in your area. You are getting total 8 color options in this vehicle, starting from Torque Blue, Granite Grey with Autumn Orange roof, Sizzling Red with Midnight Black roof, Autumn Orange, Torque Blue with Midnight roof, Premium Silver, Sizzling Red. This vehicle competes with the following vehicles in the market, starting from Hyundai Venue, Mahindra XUV300, Ford EcoSport and Tata Nexon. Now I will be giving you 6 reasons to buy this vehicle and some negatives also which you should think before buying the vehicle. Now I will be giving you 6 reasons to buy this vehicle. Reason number 1 is lowest maintenance in its segment. Reason number 2 is good mileage. Despite being petrol, still the mileage is fair in its segment as compared to its rivals. Comfortable seats with good legroom and width. AC of this vehicle is also very good and heater also works well. Gear shifting of this vehicle is very good in automatic gearbox. And another plus point is smooth and silent in its segment. This vehicle is one of the most silent in its segment, as with petrol engine and good insulated cabin with super refined and yet punchy engine. Maruti Suzuki engines are very good in terms of smoothness and reliability and durability as well. Reason number 6 is good safety. This vehicle has scored 4 out of 5 stars in global NCAP crash test, and this vehicle is having good ground clearance of 200 mm, which is fair for this size vehicle. Overall, it is a value for money package and it is having good resale value. I mean very good resale value in the market as compared to its rivals. After using for 5 to 7 years, when you go for selling the vehicle, you will be getting very good resale value as compared to its rivals. Service network of Maruti Suzuki is very good in India. You go anywhere, you will be getting the service centers easily. There are 2 negatives which I have found in this vehicle. Number 1 is lack of features as compared to other cars in its segment, especially Tata Nexon, Mahindra XUV300 and Ford EcoSport and Hyundai Venue. Reason number 2 is less boot space as compared to its rivals. Anyhow, these two negatives which I have found may not come in your case, and boot space is also fine. Like if you are comfortable with its boot space and features which you are getting in this vehicle, then you should definitely go for this vehicle. I will be making another video for its features. I will be highlighting everything in detail about its features in that video. Features according to the variant wise I will be classifying in that video. Why? Because this video is getting too long. That is why I plan to end the video here. See you in the next video. Stay connected, stay tuned. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you so much.